taking you guys where you get cheap microwaves. Let's go, guys. Happy to see you guys. So guys, here we are where you can get your cheap microwaves device. Okay, let's go, guys. So these are the microwaves that are here. This is a Royal microwave and the Century microwave. This is an LG microwave and this Royal, this Kasha, and this LG. This also Asha. This Hisense. So guys, if you want to know the function and the speed of these microwaves, the fast they are and how reliable they are, the functions, so I gotta say on the comment section, guys. So I'm gonna be explaining to you more details about this microwave. So guys, these microwaves, yes, yeah, we are, yeah. So in this there are actually many things to view in this place, guys. So we also have many things like these are the things that we have, but first we are focusing on the microwave, and there are also many stabilizers here. Yes, many type of things, but today's video is just for the microwave, guys. So this way you get your good and affordable microwaves, guys. So here we are in the store. These are the stabilizers that we got in the store right here, and these are all of them. But guys, my my interest on this video, well, not just all these, but guys, these are good quality microwave that we are seeing right here, and there are many products out here, guys. Yeah, there are many products that I'm gonna be reviewing to you. Thank you for watching. See you next Friday. Bye.